Orchestra. Let's give them another round of applause. At this time, I would like to introduce Ms. Sandy Chaika and representatives from Student Association.
We are very proud here at RB of our work over many years in showing us support for our military and the sacrifices they make to protect our freedom. However, our support of veterans is not limited to just this day. This year, the RB football program, under head coach Sam Styler, wanted to once again show their support for veterans and also give back in honor of their service. On September 8th, the members of the military, both past and present, were invited to join the players on the field for the national anthem and were honored for their service. The band, POMs, and cheerleaders had special performances to honor the military. And the days leading up to the game and at the game, several fundraisers took place, including a red, white, and jeans day for faculty and staff, Split the Pot, the sale of wristbands by the football team, and the sale of yellow ribbons by members of cheer, POMs, and the Hip Hop Club. All these funds were raised for the Hines VA Hospital. We combined all of these fundraisers and donations, and at this time, on behalf of all the RB coaches, players, students, and staff, football captains Diego Gutierrez, Jack Grivetti, Manny Komskis are proud to present a check for $2,595.45. This donation will be forwarded to Hines Hospital.